Juna, I have a big announcement for you. Don't worry, very special one. Okay, I tell you what, I have an appointment right now. I tell you later. Tell you later.
Hey, Jules, what do you think about want to announce?
I really don't know leh. You think it's a good thing?
Maybe he want to give you promotion?
Our boss getting married. That's why he want to make announcement to everyone.
I think he want to date you. He never come in so suddenly and say like a big announcement.
Never. I will never date my boss.
Or maybe he want to give you bonus?
Bonus! Bonus Bonus.
Or maybe he wants to fire you, bro.
You're fired. Okay, Jun, come into my office now. Okay, now is the moment of truth, Jun. You know, I need you quite a lot. And I know you for a long time. So the big announcement I want to make is... Tell what, you come up with a social media post. Because right now, for Renopedia itself, I have an idea. So for Renopedia itself, what we can do is, we can hold a lucky draw. And lucky draw is that if homeowner use our platform to find interior design firm and they sign up interior design firm, they can actually opt in for this lucky draw worth around $50,000. And somehow we must educate homeowner. If they come to our platform, they can save out to 50% of their renovation cost. You know, right? Okay, right? Okay? Okay? Okay, so what you do is, after this, shit. I tell you what, you buy me lunch lah. My idea good Can?
What?
I know, this is what homeowner will think. That's why it's good, right?
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.